My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2023 MG HS. This vehicle has done just over 16,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control and our start-stop. On our screen, we can access radio, navigation, and climate control. We also have Apple and Android CarPlay. And if we go into our car, comfort and convenience, we have unique features such as Follow Me Home and Find My Car. If we put our vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a parking camera with parking sensors. As we go into the back of the vehicle, we can see that it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.